Hello everyone, welcome back to QuickTable. It's your boy Wilson, and today on QuickTable How to series, we are going to talk about how to get today, the date of today, on QuickTable. So it's very easy. You just go to your QuickTable main menu like this. You click on date and time, and you click on now. It's going to create a new column called now, and then you click on save. So this is our now column. So it just duplicates the value throughout the column. So our date of today is 12th of November 2022, 7:35 a.m. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this page. If you love this video, please share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.